Y'all, I'm in here in the kitchen, and I was thinking about something a little sweet and easy for the 4th of July. Something I could just have in the refrigerator and pull out with no problem. And I've got some friends here with me today, which I'm so happy to be with them. So they can help me eat these. Every one of them, especially one guy here. You hear him? So I've got phyllo shells, and I've got mascarpone cheese. I've got limoncello, and I've got lemon juice. So over here, I have got heavy cream, powdered sugar, and lemon extract. And then I've got strawberries. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put a little jam into these phyllo cups. Let me get a spoon. And so you can see we're gonna do this in layers. And it just doesn't get any easier. You know, it depends on how much you want more strawberry preserves or you want more of the mascarpone. Y'all, this is kind of tedious, so I want to get on to the other stuff. So one of my friends is going to come in and help me. An old friend.
You had to say it 3 times?
All right, so while you're doing that, Dale, I'm going to beat the heavy cream. And I've got some powdered sugar to sweeten it with. All right, I'm going to do like a little
3
squirt.
Here, is that okay?
You 3 short?
You want me to take some out of these?
Yeah, I mean.
Okay.
Whoa, that was more than a half a teaspoon, y'all. Ooh. You get drunk off of that. If you can't, that's all right. We can eat the empty shells. Okay. So now we're going to move on to our mascarpone. I'm going to cream that up. And we're going to add our limoncello. And they tell me, you know, I'm not too much into liquors and stuff in my style of cooking. But they tell me, didn't you tell me it was some kind of liqueur? Eddie, is that what you said? But I do like mascarpone cheese. Dale, thank you so much. This is not an ideal kitchen. Whoa, watch it. This is not an ideal kitchen for a lot of people. So, there we go. I'm blending in that lemon juice. All right, now I'm going to transfer a mascarpone into our whipping cream. So see, it's really, really, really simple. And if you didn't have limoncello, what else would you use? Lemonade. Just lemonade. Are these safe for children to eat? No? Might have some little drunk children running around. Okay. Where did this recipe come from?
It's the magazine.
Oh, okay. From my magazine that had wonderful recipes, but I don't like this one. You know, I have to be truthful. I'm not so crazy about this. I think it might have needed some more sugar.
We can add anything you want to it.
Well, let's see. You come taste it and see what you think.
I
Okay?
love mashed cheese, so
I do
in
too.
the recipe.
Yeah, just see it. I taste the sharpness of the liqueur.
Yeah, if you didn't want the alcohol flavor, I would do.
I would use lemonade.
But it's good. I like it. I think
You do?
Uh-huh.
You think it's sweet enough?
it could be a little sweeter. But
Okay, well, let's do it.
I.
Let's do it. I've never made one of my recipes that I didn't change it while I was making it.
Exactly. So we shouldn't start now.
Well, that's why it's so hard to formulate a recipe, because to me, cooking food is so much better when you just do it by sight, smell, flavor. Yeah, that limoncello was a little bit more. Powdered sugar is not so strong. It's not like using pure cane sugar.
And lemonade would definitely make it sweeter.
Yes.
So sweet.
Yes. All right, look at this. I think I got an empty shell. Is that an empty shell?
I failed on that one.
You did. So you get to eat it.
I'll eat that one.
But aren't they pretty for the 4th of July?
They are.
You could even put like a little blueberry, to get the red, white, and the blue. You like that?
Mm-hmm.
Well, you like anything to eat, Dale. We have been friends forever. And I remember when you look like a beanpole. Eddie has so many talents. And he loves his decorations. And he likes everything to be in order. We don't have but one flag, Eddie.
That's it.
Let's see. Is that going to be okay with you? Or do I need to do?
Yeah. I only have but one flag, so that's it.
All right, I'm going to do one more step. I like pretty too. That's why Eddie and I get along so good. All right, so my friends, please don't eat too many because I don't want y'all getting drunk.
Oh my gosh, you look heavenly.
Well, they're pretty.
So beautiful.
So y'all come on, bon appetit with me. I add much more sugar to mine. Okay, here we go.
Good.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
It's how we put all the flavors together.
It's still not one of my favorite recipes. But you may love it. And it's easy. So my friends and I today want to leave y'all with a little message. We hope that y'all have a wonderful 4th of July, a safe 4th of July, and I hope that you get to spend it with people that you love. Love and best dishes, y'all. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.